Hello everyone. Today we're going to be writing a little Java program, and all we're going to do is we're going to check and see if a number is even or odd, but we're not going to use the multiplication, division, or modulus operator. So in Eclipse, I created a project and I created a class called isEven, and let's get started. So let's just go ahead and create the main method. Public static void main string array args. Okay, so in the main method, the first thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna ask the user to enter an integer. And after they do that, let's just go ahead and create a scanner object. Scanner system.in. And since it's already complaining, Eclipse is great at this, all you do is click import scanner. Awesome. Okay, so input. Alright, and then we are going to declare a integer variable, so int I, and it's going to read from that input as well. So next int, and that's it for now. I'm going to write our method, and it's going to be a public static boolean called isEven, and we're going to pass in I. Okay, let's make it a little bit more interesting. Let's just change this I to user number. Okay, so it makes more sense. Okay, so inside our method, what we're going to do is we're going to use the bitwise end. And what it does is it just checks the bits of the first bit of the number passed in, which is going to be this one here, which is actually this one, and it's going to compare to it's going to end it, so this right here is same as end. Okay, so if the number we pass in N1, so if the first bit is equal to 0, then it means it is true, so we're going to return true. And if excuse me, if the number passed in N1 is not equals to 0, then we're going to return false. So else, if it's not 0, it's not. If it's not 0, or it's 0, and then since it's since we need a return type, all I do is I just return false. This should never run, by the way. Okay. So back to our main method. All we need to do is we go into system.print line. All we're going to do is we're just going to do something really neat. We're just going to call in the method isEven. We're going to pass in the user number, and since it's a boolean, this is what we do. If this is true, then the number is even. Else, let's just move down a line real quick. Else, the number is odd. Okay, that is our program. Let's just run it real quick. Please enter an integer 5. Awesome. Integer 6. Even. Let's just make two big numbers. 9, 7, 5. That number is odd, and that is even. So since it works, that's it. If anything, just text me. Thank you.